Hi everyone, we're going to find double angles, for example, sine of 2 theta, cosine of 2 theta, tan of 2 theta, and half angles, sine of theta over 2, cosine of theta over 2, and tan of theta over 2. For cosine of theta, this is what's giving. Cosine of theta equals negative 4/5, and we're in quadrant 2. That's what this means. So my full angle's in quadrant 2. My half angle is going to belong to quadrant 1 as from part. This is part 2, by the way. All right. So the first thing I have to do is find sine. Since I'm in quadrant 2, I know that sine of theta is 3/5 because of my Pythagorean triples. And sine is positive. So the first thing we're going to do is find sine of 2 theta. You just write down your formula and plug everything in. It's going to be 2 times 3/5 times negative 4/5, which gives us negative 24/25. And my double angle for cosine, I'm going to use cosine squared of theta minus sine squared of theta, which is going to be, I'm just going to write out 16. Oh, no, I better show my work. Okay, so this is going to be negative 4/5 squared minus 3/5 squared. So this is going to be 16/25 minus 9/25, which equals 7/25. And I'm going to go ahead and squeeze in tan. Tan of 2 theta is just sine of 2 theta, which is negative 24/25, divided by cosine of theta, which is 7/25. This cancels out, so tan of 2 theta is negative 24/7. And just so you know, tan of 2 theta, all I'm doing is doing sine of 2 theta over cosine of 2 theta. I'm going to do the same thing with these half angles. Now for the half angles, remember we are going to be in quadrant 1 here. So because if you divide everything by 2 here, you get pi over 4 here, and it moves, my quadrant 2 moves to quadrant 1. So that means for my formulas, I'm going to use sine of theta over 2. I'm going to use the positive, which is 1 minus cosine of theta over 2. And for sine, cosine is negative 4/5, so we get square root of 1 minus a negative 4/5 over 2. This equals 5/5. I'm changing that to 5/5 plus 4/5 divided by 2. This equals square root of 9/10. Now, square root of 9 is 3, and we have square root of 10. So this all equals 3 square root of 10/10. I'm just rationalize the denominator. Now, cosine of theta over 2 is the same thing, but it's with the plus. So all we're going to do here is change the signs here. And you get 1 minus, what's 1 plus a negative 4/5 over 2. So that's what gives us the minus here. So you get 5/5 minus 4/5 over 5 divided by 2, which equals the square root of 1/10, which equals 1 over square root of 10, which equals square root of 10/10. Now, for tan of 2 theta, or tan of theta over 2, I'm just going to divide this part over this part. So that's going to be 3 square root of 10 over 10, divided by square root of 10 over 10. This cancels, and our answer is 3. And that's all for part 2. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.